Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making sourdough chocolate chip brownies. So if you have leftover sourdough discard and you want to turn them into rich and fudgy brownies, this is a perfect recipe. So let me show you guys how to make them. So first we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And now I'm just going to use a large mixing bowl today with a whisk and a spatula, but if you guys want to use a hand mixer or even a stand mixer, that also works. This recipe is super flexible. So first we're going to add in half a cup of canola oil. Then we're going to add in our cane sugar. Next we're going to add in our Dutch processed cocoa powder. And then 85 grams of mini dark chocolate chips. You could also use a chopped up dark chocolate bar as well. And then we're going to add in 57 grams of sourdough discard, and you can use this straight from the fridge. Then we're going to add in half a cup of boiling water. And you want to make sure you pour this right over the chocolate chips because that's what's going to help melt them. Now we're going to whisk this together until we have a smooth chocolate batter. Then we're going to add in our all-purpose flour. Then 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. And 1 teaspoon of ground vanilla bean. And then last, half a teaspoon of salt and baking powder. Then we're going to fold together with a spatula until we have a smooth brownie batter. Now we're going to line an 8 by 8 inch baking pan with parchment paper and transfer the batter and spread it out evenly. So once the brownie batter is spread evenly into the pan, we're going to top this with some mini dark chocolate chips. And honestly, you guys, this is my favorite part. Now we're going to bake these at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. And the best thing about these is these are eggless brownies, so if you like super fudgy brownies, you can feel free to underbake them as much as you like. So once the brownies have cooled, then it's time to cut them into squares. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more creative ways to use up sourdough discard, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.